Exercise bikes are a popular way to get fit and stay healthy. They provide a low-impact workout that is easy on the joints and can be used at any time of day, in any weather, in the comfort of your own home. However, exercise bikes can be expensive, with some models costing thousands of dollars. Fortunately, there are many great exercise bikes available for under $500. Number 1. Exerpeutic Folding Exercise Bike. When space is precious, having a foldable option can be the difference between being able to purchase a bike for your home or straight up not having the space to house one. This Exerpeutic folding exercise bike folds up to a footprint of just 20 by 22 inches, allowing you to store it in a corner or closet when not in use. At just £39, it's much lighter than many other models, making it easier to move for better storage and allowing you to utilize your space for your other needs when not exercising. With 8 different resistance levels that you control manually and a 1.5-inch LCD display to track your time, distance, speed, heart rate, and calories burned, you can achieve an excellent cardio workout on this well-constructed exercise bike. If you want further tracking or to sync with your other apps or devices, you have the option to purchase a separate cadence sensor. A weight limit of £300 makes it more user-friendly than many other models, and the adjustable, wide seat is built for customization and comfort. Magnetic resistance makes for a quiet, smooth ride, making this a good choice for people who share their living space. Number 2. Echelon Smart Connect Indoor Cycling Bike. The Echelon Smart Connect Indoor Cycling Bike has 32 resistance levels to allow you to challenge yourself and vary your intensity during your cycling workout. With its adjustable seat and handlebars, you can customize your bike's fit, ensuring a comfortable and ergonomic ride. A water bottle holder allows for easy hydration, and smooth, magnetic resistance offers a super quiet ride. Transportation wheels added to the front of the bike make it easy to move around when needed, and the cage pedals work with any shoes. With the purchase of your smart bike, you have the option to sign up for, after the free 30-day trial, the Echelon Premium membership, which grants you access to thousands of live and pre-recorded fitness classes. With this, you can participate in a variety of classes lasting 5 to 45 minutes. In addition to the cycling classes you can take from your stationary bike, there are a variety of others such as HIIT, high-intensity interval training, kickboxing, yoga, and more. You can also share your membership with up to 5 users, as an added bonus. If you want more than just a bike to ride and enjoy the challenge of fitness classes, Echelon is a highly recommended option. Number 3. YOSUDA Indoor Cycling Bike Stationary Bike. This spin bike by YOSUDA is built for a smooth, stable ride that beginner cyclists find comfortable and easy to use. The built-in LCD monitor provides feedback on your time, speed, distance, and calories burned, and the tablet holder allows you to set up your screen for online classes, stream your favorite shows, listen to music, or even work while you ride. The adjustable resistance knob allows you to increase or decrease the intensity of your workout incrementally while also serving as an emergency brake if you need to immediately stop the flywheel. The comfortable seat and water bottle holder are additional amenities for your comfort, and the adjustable saddle and handlebars ensure the right fit while you ride. Durable cage pedals for your feet enhance safety and comfort, and transportation wheels allow you to tip the bike and roll it away when necessary.